We are pleased to show you the 2013 JX35. Infiniti's new JX35 is a comfortable driving 7-passenger crossover type SUV. With easy third-row entry from either side from a sliding middle row, the JX35 is great for getting the family to the next event safely and in style and comfort. With continual technological advancements and a refined interior, it will also be one of the best times you will have on that hard, busy day, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 140,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, fog lights, braking assist, power brakes, ambient lighting, cruise control, child safety locks. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.